I'm Stefan Oberholzer, Managing Director of OVK. Yeah, I came to listen to Dawie to hear what's in the world economy going on, especially in the Mid East, and the connection of other people. He's still busy talking, so yeah, I think from the previous speaker, South Africa is a good place. I think there's a few things we have to fix, and we can't wait for government to do it. We'll have to do it ourselves, and then we'll go forward. Yeah, I think the main thing that one of the speakers said is we must start at home. We mustn't wait and see the obstacles. We must see the opportunities. I think blame shifting. I think we must start with ourselves and not get excuses and everything and make things happen. Yeah, but we are in agricultural, so we're starting with it, and there's definitely a lot of scope for that in our sector. I'm optimistic about agricultural, even with a higher fuel price and everything. Farmers also can make a plan. There's a saying, "A boer maak 'n plan," and that's why I'm optimistic about agricultural.